नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सर्वांचं पुन्हा एकदा स्वागत आहे. आज आपण काही डेफिनेशन विचारतोय. सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा आपण विचारूया प्रांजलला. प्रांजल इयत्ता 10वीला आहे. ठीक आहे प्रांजल, कोणते डेफिनेशन लंगेल फास्ट.
Newton's law, mass, weight.
ठीक आहे, केपलरचा लॉ तुला माहिती आहे. न्यूटन्स इनर्स लॉ सांगशील.
Newton's inverse law. Every object in the inner circle, every other object with a definite force. This force is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the two objects and is inversely proportional to the square of the mean distance of a planet from the sun.
त्यानंतर सेंट्रिपेटल फोर्स देवास विचारतोय.
A force acts on any object moving along a circle and it is directly toward the center of the circle. This is called a centripetal force.
व्हेरी गुड देवा. बस आकाशला विचारतोय फ्री फॉल.
Whenever an object moves under the influence of the force of gravity, it is said to be following.
युनिफॉर्म मोशन सांग. युनिफॉर्म मोशन.
Uniform motion. If an object covers equal distance in equal time intervals, the object is said to be moving with uniform
आलं की आपल्या डिस्प्लेसमेंट बद्दल माहिती सांगतोय. डिस्प्लेसमेंट.
Displacement is the minimum distance between the starting and finishing point.
व्हेरी गुड. लगेच सागर व्हेलोसिटी बद्दल सांगतोय आपल्या. सागर शांडू.
velocity is equal to displacement upon time.
ओके व्हेरी गुड सागर. त्यानंतर वैष्णव. ठीक आहे, न्यूटन्स इनर्स लॉ ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटेशन वैष्णव सांगते. चल.
Every object in the universe attract every other object with a definite force. This force is directly proportional to the product of the masses and two objects, and this is inversely proportional to the square of distance between them.
व्हेरी. समृद्धी सांगते आपला मास आणि वेट बद्दल डिफरन्शिएट करते.
Mass is the amount of matter present in mass is the amount of matter present in object. Mass SI unit of a mass is a kg. Mass is a scalar quantity. Its value does not change when we go to another planet. According to Newton's first law, it is measured by inertial. Higher the mass, higher the inertia.
व्हेरी गुड. आणि वेट.
The weight of an object is defined force with which the earth attracts object. Force on surface of the mass can be written equation.
थँक्यू. रेट ऑफ द मेंडल्स पिरियड.
Atomic masses of some element were revised so as to give them proper place in periodic table in accordance to their property. For example, the previously determined the atomic mass of beryllium was 90.4, was changed to the 40.9, changed to the correct value 9.4, and beryllium was placed before boron.
सेकंड.
Mendeleev kept vacant place in periodic table for element not discovered till then. Three of these unknown elements were named as Eco boron, Eka element, and Eka silicon. From the neighbor element and atomic mass were indicated as a 44, 68, and 72 respectively. Not only this, but their property were also predicted. Later on, this element could be discovered as a scandium, gallium, and
फोर्स
germanium.
सांगते आपल्या ज्ञानेश्वरी.
A force acts a force towards the center of the circle. This is called the centripetal force.
के प्लस फर्स्ट. के प्लस इथे निबला सांग.
Kepler first law: the orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the
What
sun
is mass?
at one of the foci.
Mass is the amount of matter present in the circular quantity. It is value same everywhere. Its value does not change even we go to another planet surrounding the Newton first law. In major inertia of the higher the mass, higher the inertia.
थँक्यू. त्यानंतर न्यूटन्स इनर्स लॉ ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटेशन सांगतोय रितेश.
Every object in the universe attracts every other object with a definite force. This force is directly proportional to the product of the masses of two objects and is inversely proportional to the square of distance between them.
व्हेरी गुड. ओम सांगतोय सेट बद्दल माहिती.
If we can definitely and clearly decide the object of a given collection, then that collection
ठीक आहे.
is called a
सेट
set.
राईट करण्याचे जे दोन मेथड आहेत त्यापैकी लिस्टिंग आणि रोस्टर पैकी सांग पटकन फास्ट. लिस्टिंग.
In this method, we write all the elements in the set in a curly bracket. Each of the elements is written only once and separated by commas. The order of the element is necessary to write all the elements in the set.
टाइप ऑफ सेट सांग.
A set consisting of single element is called singlet set. Null set. If there is not single element in set which satisfies the given condition, then that condition is called null set. Finite set. If the number of elements are limited and uncountable, then that collection is called finite set. If the number of elements are unlimited and uncountable, then that set is called infinite set.
व्हेरी गुड साई. त्यानंतर आपण गौरव विचारूया. गौरव, डिमेरिट ऑफ द मेंडल्स पिरियड टेबल.
The whole number of atomic masses, cobalt and nickel are same. Therefore, ambiguity regarding the currents.
थँक्यू. नंतर डिमेरिट सांगतोय आपला अक्षय.
The whole number of atomic masses of cobalt and nickel are the same. Therefore, there was an ambiguity regarding their sequence in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Uh, the atomic masses are increasing or placed in the increasing order. The atomic mass does not appear to be uniform. Therefore, it not possible to predict how many element could be discovered into heavy element. Isotopes have a same chemical property but different atomic mass. Their challenge was posed on Mendeleev to place them in Mendeleev's original periodic table. Hydrogen, the place of hydrogen. The hydrogen shows similarity with group 1, and it also shows similarity with group number 7. Therefore, whether it not decided whether the correct position of hydrogen in Mendeleev's original periodic table.
व्हेरी गुड. थँक्यू अक्षय. चला थँक्यू.